I am clearancing the rear triangle for some extra tire. So the issue wasn't the width up here, but the height of the tire. So I made a cut this way, as far down as I trust myself, in order not to hurt these tubes. So there's a little bit of material left. Now I have also cut this direction. This is so weird why this is so jiggly jaggly, not wanting to go in. There you have it. This is so weird. It seems to, when it's calmed down, cool down, it just, I don't know what happens. Why is this not moving? That is some great demonstration. Yeah, so let's see whether it will break out. It's coming. Which one's better? All right, so I did not cut too far. Wow, I had no idea that there was that much material left. So this is quite strong. Whereas what happened here? Right at the tube here. Not so much on the other side. So the rest I have to file off. So let's make a little test. I'm hoping that I can modify this enough to fit this monster, and I think we're looking good. We'll see. I will build the wheel, and right now I'm just clearancing what I can easily live without. So that's that for the time being, and have a good day.